Ladies and gentlemen, honored guests from industry and academia, Mr. Arun Mehra, Member Planning Commission, Mr. Atul Chaturvedi, Chairman of the Public Enterprises Selection Board, Padma Shri Dr. Pritam Singh, Professor Robert Kaplan, GMGA awardee for 2012, Mrs. Kaplan, members of the media and friends. I am greatly privileged to welcome all of you here this evening on the occasion of the second Global Management Guru Award. The Global Management Guru Award, instituted by the Birla Institute of Management Technology, BIMTech, is inspired by the life and work of late G.D. Birla, who created the Birla Enterprise, Birla Group, which spans hardcore manufacturing to financial services, having a footprint in over 70 countries worldwide. The trailblazing legacy of late G.D. Birla in the industry, social sector, and philanthropy is being carried out by his successors, heading different business houses with the Birla name, but the ethos and value systems which Ghanshyam Das Birla ji believed remain the hallmark of their leadership. The socially responsible business leader, G.D. Birla, who lived and abided by the teachings of his most admired leader and friend, Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, was also a hardwired man who saw opportunities for the Indian business to expand and go overseas. Late Aditya Birla, the grandson of late G.D. Birla, was the first business leader who ventured into set up industries in Thailand, Indonesia, Egypt, Ethiopia, etc. The Board of Governors of the BIMTech took the initiative of establishing the Global Management Guru Award in 2009 as a platform to recognize and bring to the limelight outstanding contributions of management thought leaders around the world. The Global Management Guru Award is conferred annually on a scholar and a thought leader in business and management who has influenced management thought worldwide in a fundamental way as a teacher, researcher, writer, and mentor. In its maiden year 2011, the award was conferred on the well-known marketing academic Dr. Jagdish Ansett Charles as Kelstar Chair of Marketing in the Goenjutta Business School at Emory University. We are really delighted today that the Global Management Guru Award for 2012 is being conferred to Professor Robert S. Kaplan, who is presently the Martin Boer Professor of Leadership Development Emeritus at the Harvard Business School. Professor Kaplan is world's leading authority on strategic performance measurement. Professor Kaplan is co-developer of both activity-based costing and the balance scorecard. The year 2012, as my colleague Professor Sinha was telling, is the 25th anniversary of the activity-based costing methodology and the 20th anniversary of the balance scorecard framework. He has authored or co-authored 14 books, 20 Harvard Business Review articles, and more than 150 other papers. Kindly allow me to submit that board of jury for the GMGA 2012 was headed by Dr. Pritam Singh, who could persuade some of the stalwarts of industry, academia, and public life, both from India and abroad, to join the jury for performing the onerous task of identifying the awardee this year. On this memorable occasion, when the Global Management Guru Award for 2012 is being conferred on Professor Kaplan for his outstanding contributions towards management theory and practice, we are indeed very fortunate to have with us of Mr. Arun Mehra, Member Planning Commission, Mr. Atul Chaturvedi, Chairman Public Enterprises Selection Board, and Dr. Pritam Singh, Chairman Board of Jury for the award, who all have contributed immensely to public life and management practice in India. I extend a hearty welcome to Mr. Arun Mehra, Mr. Atul Chaturvedi and Dr. Preetham Singh, and express my gratitude to them for being part of award ceremony. May I once again place on record our heartiest felicitations to Professor Robert Kaplan on this occasion. May I now invite Dr. Preetham Singh, Chairman of the Board of Jury, to deliver his address. I would like to conclude by thanking you once again for being here this evening. Thank you.